Welcome back to Park Time. You're about to see how parking in the wrong spot can cost you more than just a little pain. Sometimes even the whole car might disappear. Be a considerate driver because you never really know what kind of surprise gift the person you blocked might leave behind. Park smart, sleep better. The parking job looked confident, but the ending turned into a lesson about safe distance. When you park like, as long as it works for me, and the whole neighborhood has to play a mini game called Find the Exit. Parking like you're setting a trap, then acting surprised when the consequences show up right on time. Reminder, the street isn't your personal driveway. Thought it would be a quick 30-second stop, but it turned into a 30-minute traffic rescue mission. A little convenience isn't worth a lot of trouble for everyone else. One car takes center stage a little too boldly, and suddenly the whole community becomes an unwilling audience. After parking, you realize walking a few extra steps is often cheaper than learning a lesson the hard way. The wheels may be parked, but the drama is running at full speed. Parking properly is still a survival skill. No soundtrack needed, just a collective sigh. Parking neatly is actually a form of courtesy. Your car fits just right. Everyone else feels just annoyed. Sometimes leaving space means leaving trouble behind. One bad parking decision and suddenly the whole street is holding an emergency meeting no one signed up for. Parked with the mindset of, I'll be right back, only to return and realize life has already moved on to the next chapter. Some parking spots look perfect, until you remember they weren't parking spots to begin with. Sometimes the problem isn't that your car is big, it's that your confidence in those painted lines is even bigger. One poorly parked car can make an entire area operate like it's playing a real-life gridlock game. Parking as if the rules were optional, and the ending reminds you that rules are still rules. That moment when you realize just a quick stop sometimes translates in real life to just standing there watching. Keeping your image matters, but staying in the right lane in the right spot matters more. If your parking forces others to change their route, that's no longer parking, that's rerouting. You feel fine after parking, everyone else feels like they're in an obstacle course competition. A parking moment that makes everyone realize patience is gold, but parking properly is diamond. The comments might be entertaining, but the lesson is clear. Don't let your convenience become everyone else's inconvenience. A slight angle off and the whole story shifts. Aligning with the lines properly helps you avoid becoming a side episode. The car isn't at fault, it's just standing where it shouldn't be. Park in a funny way, and the consequences will be funny too. Just remember, it's funny to learn from, not to repeat. When traffic lights switch on, egos should switch off. Some parking moves turn a quick trip into a long walk, and that's life's subtle reminder. Backing up just a little into the right spot can save you from a chain of trouble later. Sometimes the strongest move is controlling yourself. Is a few seconds of ego on the road really worth that kind of trade-off?
There's a road rage incident just right there.
If just one person had stepped back, it might have ended with words only.
Set up! Come on, boys! Move it!
A small touch, a big lesson. Leaving safe distance means leaving risk behind. Parking and then sitting there rethinking your life choices, that's what you call next level parking. This proves one thing: painted lines aren't decoration. They're there to save you from awkward situations. When you think it's fine, but traffic replies, no, it's not. Parking wrong is already a problem. Adding someone underneath makes it far worse. Parking in the wrong spot might not hurt immediately, but it always leaves a bill to pay later. This whole scene is a gentle reminder. Roads are for driving, parking spots are for parking, swap the roles and chaos begins. The car may be luxury, but the lesson is simple. Parking properly is the classiest move. A school bus carries students, but it should never have to carry risk. The road is not a place to prove who's tougher. He tried to solve a problem, but ended up creating one for the entire road. Block someone for a second, pay for it with everything that follows.
What the fuck? Wow. You got
No one in the neighborhood wants to be part of this argument, anything but small. Ego battles on the road usually end with the sound of metal, not apologies. The streets carry many types of vehicles, but emergency vehicles must always have absolute priority. Respecting special parking spots means respecting the people they are meant for. When voices get louder than engines, no one truly wins. That's what you call karma with perfect timing. Cut people off or park like you own the street, and sooner or later you'll run into someone who doesn't play around. Stay humble out there. A little patience and courtesy go a long way. Which comeback was the most satisfying for you? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Park Time.